TrueMate hot mounting machine. So this is the unpack condition of the machine. Firstly, we are going to show you how to install this machine. To install this machine, firstly open the wooden package of the machine and take out the machine. Place the machine on a rigid platform free from objects and vibration. Firstly, need to connect the inlet and outlet pipe connection with the machine. So this is the outlet pipe connection and this is the inlet pipe connection. So user need to connect first these two pipes with the machine. So firstly need to connect the inlet pipe connection. So this is the inlet connection. This is the outlet pipe connection. The other ends will be connected to the water source. After connecting the water pipe connections properly, connect the machine with the proper ground earth, then connect it with the main power supply. After that, need to on the emergency switch on the power supply. This type of interface will be open. Then we need to enter the set temperature. To enter the set temperature, click on temp dialog box. Here we need to enter our set temperature. For example, I am setting set temperature 135 degrees centigrade. Then need to enter. After that, user need to set the hold time. When click on hold time dialog box will be open. Here we need to enter the time in minutes. So I am entering it 10 minutes. Then clicking on enter. Then there is a cold time temperature timing setting. Here user can need to enter the cold time. So again I am entering it 10 minutes. So all these parameters has been set now. Now we are going to operate the machine. To make a mold on this machine, firstly we need to remove the protecting upper cap. After that, we need to press the up button on the touch panel. When we click the up button, our mold die will start coming out from the machine. When our mold completely came out, user need to again press the up button on the touch panel. So you can see this is the middle die, this is the lower die, and this is the upper die. In this machine, two molds can be prepared on the same time. To prepare two molds at the same time, firstly we need to place the component on the bottom die. So this is our sample in which we make a mold. So we place the sample here, then need to press the down button. When the mold completely goes down, we need to place the backlight inside the machine. After that, we need to place the middle die on the machine. Then need to place the second component. After that, need to again put backlight. Then need to place the protecting cap. Then need to close this nut. So sample placing has been done. Now come to the main screen again. After placing the sample, user need to press the start button on the touch panel. Then we need to wait for time and temperature which we set in the machine so that our mold can be prepared. So on the main screen you can see right now heating sample is indicating that motor is on and our backlight is heating. Now complete pressure has been applied on the mold and our temperature started. So current temperature is 29 degrees centigrade. So we wait till our temperature reach 135 degree. You can see now the temperature reached 35 degree 36 degree centigrade. It will start rising. Temperature reach 59 degree centigrade. When the temperature reach 135 degree, heating will stop and hold time start. So you can see 1 minute has been passed at hold temperature. So hold temperature will be maintained for 10 minutes. So you can see 10-minute hold time has been completed. Now cooling has been started. After cooling, water symbol will be indicate that water start flowing in the machine. Now the mold will start lowering its temperature down and it will cool down. So you can see our cold time has been also reached 10 minutes and current temperature in the machine is 94 degrees centigrade. It is still dropping, so user can wait till the lower temperature and after that user need to remove the sample from the machine. To remove mold from the machine, firstly need to press the down button. Then we need to open the protecting cap. After that, again need to press the up button. When we press the up button, mold again start coming out. So this is the upper mold and this is the lower mold. The thickness of this mold can be dependent on the backlight powder which we put on the machine. So this is our first mold. And this is our second mold. You can see the quality of the mold. So that's it for today. Thank you.